In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a new Canva tool called Canva AI to create custom backgrounds for your presentations, videos, or social media posts. With the Canva homepage open, click the purple button here on the left, or choose an option from the list running across the top. I'm picking a regular 16:9 presentation since that's the standard size for slides and videos. Right now, it has a plain white default background. But let's say we want something more creative, something that really matches our project's vibe. We have several options for finding backgrounds. You can look in elements or photos or go over to templates and search for backgrounds. Templates are great because they're editable. In fact, most parts of a template can be customized. You can rob the pieces you like by copying and pasting pieces from the template into your own design to build a background. But if you just can't find that perfect background, then it's time to check out Canva's new tool, Canva AI. Like templates, you can only access Canva AI from the home page. You can't get to it directly from the presentation page. However, there's also another option, staying in the presentation page and using Magic Media. That's an earlier version of Canva AI. And while it has similar options, I find Canva AI easier to work with. The workspace is bigger, cleaner, and much easier to navigate. Magic Media works fine, but personally I prefer the Canva AI interface. Let's get back to the Canva homepage. To access Canva AI, you've got two options. Head over to the left side toolbar and click the Canva AI icon, or simply click the Canva AI button here at the top. This opens the familiar text box where you type your prompt. You'll also see options to upload media or even use the microphone to speak your prompt. At the bottom, there are 5 buttons, and the one we want is Create an Image. Of course, we all know that the key to success with AI is your prompt. Remember the golden rule: details, details, details. Be super clear about the style, mood, colors, and any specific features you want. Let's give Canva AI this prompt: a calming watercolor background in soft teal and beige tones, with subtle texture and an airy, organic feel. Perfect for a presentation slide background. That's descriptive enough to give Canva AI some direction. We can always refine the prompt as we go to get closer to the background we want. With the prompt complete, click Create an Image. This now opens up a few extra options. First is Style. Click to open a drop-down of available styles. If you choose one, it gives Canva AI even more detail about what you want. Click again to close if you decide not to pick anything. Aspect ratio. With images, you have options. It defaults to 16:9, but you can select another if you prefer. Add media. That's the plus sign in a circle. It lets you upload images or choose from recent ones for Canva AI to use as inspiration. Once you're happy with your setup, click the Submit arrow and let Canva AI do the work. It will generate 4 options for you to choose from. Take a look at each one. If you don't like the results, refine your prompt. Add more detail or try a different style. Abstract patterns, gradients, or even something bold and futuristic. When you find a background you like, click on it to open. Here you have several options. At the bottom, you can refine the prompt. If you want your original prompt, click here to copy it and paste it down at the bottom and make any changes to the prompt you need and resubmit. You can click the Open in Editor button to have the background placed in your work area. You also have the option to download to your computer. There is also a Boost Resolution button to upscale your image. Click to upscale, then open the upscaled image where you have the options again to either download or open in the editor. Let's go ahead here and open our upscaled version in the editor. From here, complete your design. Here's a quick tip. If you love the background and want to use it again later, save it as a template. Instead of clicking Download, go to Share and look for the Save as Template button. That way you can reuse the look anytime without recreating it. So that's a couple of ideas on how you can use Canva AI to create custom backgrounds, perfect for presentations, social posts, or even video backdrops. Experiment with different prompts: vintage paper textures, dreamy night skies, or minimalist gradient designs. The possibilities are endless. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva AI tips. I've got a couple of other Canva AI tutorials you might want to check out as well, and I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.